Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good and I am back with another super delicious fall recipe. It is a beautiful pumpkin bread. I have made the pumpkin bread with my homemade pumpkin puree. I am sharing the link as well in the description box. So now let's get started. In a bowl, add in about 6 tablespoons of butter. To this, add in 1 cup of refined sugar. Now, using a hand blender, beat the sugar and butter such that they are well combined and creamed. Using a spatula, scrape the edges and beat if necessary. Now the sugar and butter are well combined. So to this, next I am going to add 1 egg. Break open an egg and then using a hand blender, beat everything once again such that the egg is well combined with the butter and the sugar. The mixture might appear slightly curdled and grainy at this stage. Now the egg is well combined. So next I am going to add about 1 cup of pumpkin puree. If you are able to access the canned or tin pumpkin puree, you can use that, but I have used my homemade pumpkin puree. Either one should be fine. So now, after adding the pumpkin puree, using a hand blender, beat once again such that the pumpkin puree is well combined. Now set this aside and next let us get ready with the dry ingredients. In a mixing bowl, add in about half cup of all-purpose flour and half cup of whole wheat flour. To this next add in about half teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Next add in half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder and half a teaspoon of nutmeg powder. Using a whisk, mix everything once. Now the dry ingredients is ready. So now to this we are going to add in the prepared wet ingredients. The mixture might appear grainy and curdled, but that is just normal. Now using a hand blender, beat the dry and the wet ingredients together until everything is well combined. Now prepare a loaf tin by spreading little butter and then adding little flour. Tap to remove the excess flour and then finally line the baking tray with some parchment paper. Next we will transfer the prepared cake batter to the baking pan. Tap the pan twice or thrice to remove air bubbles if any. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes and then bake for about 50 to 60 minutes or until a toothpick when inserted comes out clean. Allow the bread to cool for some 10 minutes and then run a knife through the edges of the pan and remove the bread. Release the parchment paper gently without any cracks and then let the pumpkin bread cool completely. After the pumpkin bread is cooled completely, using a sharp knife, slice and serve. It stays good in room temperature for about 2 days, and if you are using it beyond that, please refrigerate. Delicious and yummy pumpkin bread is now ready to be served. We have used our homemade pumpkin puree for making the bread. It is perfect for the fall season. Make some and enjoy when you have some pumpkin puree. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. For more recipes, please visit my website. Thank you for watching. See you soon in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.